Experian Identity Theft Protection monitors your credit file and personal information for signs of suspicious activity like new accounts, credit inquiries, and exposed data linked to your identity. By the end, you'll know exactly what it covers, what it misses, and whether it's actually worth paying for compared to free protection options. Start with what it actually does. Experian's Identity Theft Protection watches your Experian credit file for changes. That includes new credit applications, new accounts opened in your name, and changes to your credit report. Now, explain what that means. If something unusual shows up, like a credit card you didn't open, Experian sends an alert so you can respond quickly. Now explain the key limitation. It mainly focuses on credit-based identity theft. That means it is strongest when fraud shows up through loans, credit cards, or credit inquiries. Now explain what it does not fully cover. It does not automatically stop identity theft from happening. It only detects and reports suspicious activity after it appears on your credit file. Now, explain the dark web monitoring angle. Some versions of the service also scan known data breach sources for exposed personal information, like emails or passwords. This is based on previously discovered leaks, not real-time monitoring of everything online. Now explain the common misunderstanding. Many people think identity theft protection prevents fraud completely. That is not how it works. It is a monitoring system, not a prevention system. Now explain what makes it useful. Its main value is early detection. Catching fraudulent accounts early can reduce the time it takes to dispute and remove them. Now, explain who benefits most. It is most useful for people who don't regularly check their credit reports or want automated alerts instead of manual monitoring. Now explain when it may not be worth it. If you already use free credit monitoring and regularly check your reports, the added value may be limited. Now compare it to free alternatives. Free services often provide basic credit alerts and breach notifications, but usually without bundled identity recovery support. Experian's paid version adds more centralized tools in one place. Now summarize the key points. Experian Identity Theft Protection monitors credit activity and alerts you to suspicious changes. It does not prevent identity theft, it only detects it. And its value depends on whether you need automated monitoring or already track your credit manually. One practical next step. D. Check your existing credit monitoring tools first, because you may already be getting similar alerts without paying for extra protection. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit and identity protection tools.